Yo, what's going on, Wolves? It's your girl, Island Wolf, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Logitech StreamCam. So I bought this to try it out. Also bought it to give it to my sister once I'm done making videos. But, yeah, we're going to open up this bad boy and see. I already, cut a little bit. As you can see, I kind of messed it up. Doing things one-handed sucks, by the way. Oh, wow. It's just right here, huh? Oh, wow. Okay. I was not expecting that. Whoa. Put that there. Okay. Just pull it out, I suppose. Just shimmy it out. Gotta be careful not to break it. I need like a camera. Man, I should have made my boyfriend do this. Just hold the camera while I try to get things out. I got it. And that's everything. Oh, it comes with like a little instruction thing. Cool. Comes with paperwork. I guess how to set it up. Oh, it's a thing for XSplit. Don't use this code because it probably won't work. It will work actually because I don't use XSplit. I use OBS. But yeah. What is this? To attach it to a tripod, I'm assuming. Okay, let's put that there. And this is the cable. What is this attached to? Oh, I got it out. Boom, move that to the side. What is this? Oh, it's just like warranty stuff. Okay, cool. So this is the cable. Pretty thick. Semi-long. This is the Logitech StreamCam. It's pretty small. So the reason I got this for my sister is one, it's new, and two, she does a lot of things on like Instagram and all that stuff. So I'll leave her link in the description if you want to go follow her. She does a lot of things for her business. So yeah, just check her out. You can also follow me on Instagram. I have one too. I just don't use it much. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna set this bad boy up and make some videos on it, test it out and everything. But it's a little quick unboxing video of the Logitech StreamCam. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And yeah, I gotta clean up my desk now and set this bad boy up. See you in the next one. Peace.